Okay, so today we'll go to chapter 2.2 and factorization. But today's special, I want to show you how we want to solve factorization using calculator. So there are two types of calculator that we use today. First, this one, Casio FX570MX. Another one is a new calculator. This one, Casio FX570EX. This is a new type of calculator. Okay. So now we go to the first question. Okay. First question. Question number one. X squared plus 7x minus 18. Okay. So there are three values that we need to know. The first value is A, and then B, and also C. Okay, so A we should get from the coefficient of x squared. B we should get from this one, including the positive or negative sign, and C is this one. Okay, okay. So the value of A and B is not included the x. X is variable. We take only the coefficient, the number only. Number only. Okay. So A we take from the coefficient of x squared, but there is no number in front of x squared. Actually, there is. The coefficient is 1. So the value of A is equal to 1. B is a positive 7. Or we just write 7. And C is negative 18. Don't forget the positive or negative sign. Okay, now we go to the calculator. I on my calculator. Okay, first I on first. Okay, now we press this mode button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. We go to EQN. EQN stands for equation. We press 1. We see unknowns, but we don't want unknowns. You can see here there is a right arrow, so we press right button. Degree. Degree is actually the power of x squared. Okay? So the degree is 2. We press number 2. Now the calculator asks us the value of A. A is equal to 1, so we press 1 equal. B equal to 7. 7 equal. And C is negative 18. Negative is this sign. This is negative. So we press negative 18, 1, 8. And then we press equal. Now we get the value of x1 equal to 2. And actually there is a two value. There are two value. Another value x2. We can press either this down arrow button or we can press equal. So I press this down arrow button. X2 equal to negative 9. So we have the two values ready. How about another calculator? Okay, so I show you how you want to find the answer using this calculator. First of all, you press this menu button. Okay, and then you can navigate down whatever here and using the arrow button. Okay, you find this one A after 9. A, the equation or function. If you go up, first you will see this one. Wait, okay, you have calculate here complex, base M, matrix, vector, statistic, distribution, spreadsheet, table, equation. We want this one, equation function. So we press equal. Now we have number one simultaneous equation. Number two is polynomial. This is a quadratic expression. So quadratic expression is a polynomial. We press number 2 for polynomial. So what is the degree? Again, degree is 2. Press number 2. Okay. Now, we have the equation like this, the expression like this. So, the value of A here is 1 equal B 7. You also can use this arrow button, can actually. Okay. And C is negative 18. Okay, equal. Then you press equal again. So now you can see the value x1 is 2 and the value of x2 negative 9. Same answer, no problem. Okay, so we know the answer already, the value of x, but how you want to write the answer? Okay? So the answer is like this. Let me use a black color. Into bracket, the variable here is x. So we write x here and here. Okay. Focus on the value of x1. This is a 2, positive 2. However, we change the sign to negative 2. We change the sign. And then x2 is negative 9. Again, we change the sign. From negative, we change to positive or plus, plus 9. So this is the answer, x minus 2, x plus 9. That is the answer for question number 1. Okay. Now, we go to question B. Question B, question number 2, m square plus 11m minus 26. Okay, we need to know the value of a, b, and c. Okay, so a is here, b is this one, c is this one. Okay, a, the value is 1, b is 11, and c is negative 26. Okay, now we use the calculator. Okay, again, if you we can continue here, or we can press this again, mod 3 times, eqn number 1, press right arrow button here, degree number 2. Okay, so the value of a is 1, value of equal, and then value of b is 11 equal, and then value of c is negative 26 equal. Okay, so now we get the value of x1 equal to 2x2. Press down arrow here, negative 13. Okay, how about another calculator? Another calculator. Okay, you can press menu here. You can go up or down, whatever. But you choose equation function, press equal, and then press number 2 for polynomial. Degree also 2. Okay, so the value of a is 1 equal, b 11 equal, and c negative 26 equal. Okay, and then press equal again to get the answer. X1 equal to 2, and then x2 equal to negative 13. Okay, now we focus on how you want to write the answer. Answer equal to, okay, but careful right now. The variable is not x, but the variable is m. M. Okay, maybe I write the two bracket first. So the variable is m. So we write m. Okay. For the first value, 2. 2 here is a positive, but we change the sign to negative or minus. Okay. And then for the second value, negative 13, we change to positive 13. So the answer is m minus 2, m plus 13. And that is the answer. Okay. Now we go to question number 3. Question number 3. Okay, question number 3 is this one. K square minus 8k plus 16. So we want to know the value of a, b, and c. So value of a is this one, 1. B is this one, negative 8. And c is this one, positive 16. Okay, so we use the calculator to find the answer. Okay, the value of a is 1, B negative 8 equal, and C is 16 equal. So we get the value is x equal to 4. We try going down. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Yeah, there is no x1 and no x2 this time. Only x. Only x. So how you want to write the answer? The answer is like this. We write equal here. We write the variable. This time only one x, so we just write one bracket only. Okay. However, we didn't write x, but we write k because the variable is k. The variable is k. So k, and then we focus on this one. This is 4. 4. We write 4, but this is positive. We change the sign to negative. And don't forget, you must write square here, because the value of k same 2 times. The value of k equal to 4. Okay. You must write square the bracket here. Okay, that's how we get the answer for question number 3. Now we, oh yeah, I forgot to show you from this calculator. From this calculator, okay, so 1, B is negative 8, and C is 16. Check answer. Is it same answer? Yeah, same answer, 4. Okay, now we go to question number 4. Okay, question number 4. Question number 4, I choose this question. 2m squared minus 11m minus 6. Okay. Value of A. A equal to this one, 2. B equal to this one, negative 11. And C equal to negative 6. Okay. Now you use the calculator to find the answer. Okay. Value of A equal to 2, B negative 11, and C negative 6. Okay, so now we get x1 equal to 6 and x2 equal to, we go down here, we get negative 0.5 and negative 0.5. Actually, answer in decimal we don't want. We don't want answer in decimal. We want answer in fraction only or integer. So we should change negative 0.5 to fraction. How you want to change fraction? You can press this button ABC. However, I prefer if you press shift button first. Shift button. This is shift button. Always press shift button first and then you press ABC, because we want either either improper fraction or proper fraction only. We don't want mixed number. We don't want mixed number. Either improper or proper fraction. Either one. Or integer, of course. Okay, so here the fraction, the answer is negative 1 over 2. Okay. Uh, Now, how you want to write the answer? Okay, answer equal here 2 bracket. Okay, focus on first answer, x1. So do not write x, but we write m. M. Okay, this is positive 6, but we write negative 6 or minus 6. Minus 6. Okay, we change the sign. And then here, for the second value, we focus on the denominator here. The denominator is 2. So we write 2 first. And then we write the variable m. Okay. And then the value here, negative 1 or minus 1. Negative, we change to positive or plus, and then we write the number 1. And so this is the answer, m minus 6, 2m plus 1. Okay. If I write here, maybe I choose this color. Okay. If I write here, I write m, m equal to negative 1 over 2. So if 2 here, we bring to the left hand side, it become like this. It become 2m equal to negative 1. And then this one we can write as 2m plus 1 equal to 0. So actually, this is what, this is what we write. Now, can you see? That's what we write as the answer for fraction. That's why it becomes 2m plus 1. Okay. How about the other calculator? Okay. So the other calculator, so the value of A equal to 2, B negative 11, and C negative 6 equal. Okay, so we get x1 equal to 6, we go down. x2 we get answer in fraction, negative 1 over 2, and we no need to change from decimal to fraction anymore. And because the answer already in fraction. However, you want to change, actually you can use this button. This one, decimal, you can change to fraction. You can use this button. Okay, so next, we go to question number 5. Okay, question number 5. Question number 5 is, let me choose this one. 9f squared minus 12f plus 4. Okay, so value of A, B, and C. Okay, value of A is 9. Value of B, negative 12. Value of C, positive 4. Okay, now let me use the calculator. Okay, value of A, 9. Value of B, negative 12. And value of C, 4. Okay, now we get this answer in decimal, very long. Okay, I don't want this one, so we press shift, press ABC. So we get x equal to 2 over 3. So this one actually we can change, become 3x equal to 2 or whatever. Okay, how we want to write the answer? The answer is like this. If you notice, there is no x1 and x2, only x, and we get one answer only, cannot press anything. Okay, so the variable is f. When we want to write the answer, we start with the denominator 3 in front of the variable. Okay, and then these 2 here, we write here, but we change the sign from positive to negative. Okay, and don't forget, you must write square here. If you only have one value of x, you must write square outside of the bracket. So this is the answer for question number 5. Okay, another calculator. A equal to 9, B negative 12, and C 4. So the answer x 2 over 3. Okay. Then last question, question number 6. This is the last question. Okay. Let me choose this question. Negative 5m squared. Okay, Okay, can. Minus 6m plus 8. So A, B, C. Okay, however, before you use calculator, we need to do something else first, because the problem now, we have a negative here. Calculator only can find answer, or I mean, to factorize the expression, calculator only best used for positive coefficient of m squared, yeah, for positive only. If negative, we need to do something. Okay, so what we do here, we factorize the negative first. We factorize the negative. So in bracket, we write here positive 5m squared, and then this negative here we change to positive 6m. This one, we change. Okay, so this positive also we need to change. So from positive we change to negative 8. Okay, so to find the value of A, B, C, we find the value inside the bracket only, where A is actually 5, not negative 5. B is positive 6 and C is negative 8. Okay, now we use the calculator. Okay, A equal to 5, B equal to 6, and C equal to negative 8. Okay, so we don't want decimal, press shift, press ABC. So we get the answer for x1 equal to 4 over 5. Second answer, x2 equal to negative 2. Okay, now to get the answer, we write here equal negative, don't forget, and then open bracket. So the variable is m. We start with the denominator, the denominator for the first value here. Okay, so we write 5 in front of the variable, 5m. Okay, and then for number 4 here, 4 is positive, but we change the sign to negative 4. Okay. Second, m, focus on the second value here, m. So know the denominator, no need to do. Okay, negative 2 we change to positive 2. However, do not leave your answer like this. What you do next, you expand or multiply inside the bracket. Only one bracket, either the first bracket or the second bracket only. Okay, so the answer is negative 5m. Negative is positive 4. And then second bracket, same. Didn't change. So this is the answer. Final answer. Okay. The answer should be like this. Okay. So now we finished already everything. How to use calculator. I want to show you how you want to change the setting of your calculator back to the original. So what you do on this calculator, you press shift and then you press this button mode. Actually we got CLR here. We want to clear actually. You press this button. Okay, sorry. Again, shift mode or clear. Oh, sorry. We need to erase first. Shift mode. Okay. So MCL for memory clear, 2 for mode clear, and then for everything. Oh, I want to choose mode. We want to change the mode. We want to reset the mode. So press number 2, and then you press equal. Okay, and then you press AC. Okay, for this type of calculator, okay, what you do, okay, you press shift button, and then you want to choose this one, reset, and you press number 9. Okay, number 1 for setup data only, number 2 memory, and number 3 everything. Okay, so we choose number one. For this calculator, we press number one. So equal for yes. So we press equal and then we press AC. So the setting go back to the original. Okay, so thank you. That's all for today. If you have any question, feel free to uh, message me. Okay, bye bye.